Welcome back to my channel. We were doing algebra series. This is part number 2, arithmetic operation on polynomials, and we are going to do first operation, that is addition of polynomials. Right, addition of polynomials. For this you have first case when you are having same powers and same signs. When you are having same signs and same power, let's suppose you are having 3x square plus 2x square plus 5x square. Right? Now you can see that you are having same signs, plus, 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 and see the powers 2, 2, 2. So you are having same powers and same signs. It means you just have to add coefficients. So what are my coefficient? Coefficient is a number which is multiplying with the variable. So my coefficients are 3, 2 and 5. So I just have to add them. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. It becomes 10x square. This was the first case, right? The second one is different powers and same signs. Now you are having different powers. It means that you are having, let's suppose, 2x square plus 5x plus 3, and next one is 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Now you are having two expressions. This is your first expression and this is your second expression. You have to add them. For this case, use brackets. Use brackets. How to use brackets? You will put the same powers of expressions in the same bracket. Like 2x square, right? 2x square and here 5x square. So I put them in single bracket. Next one, plus, because we are having same signs, all are plus, so don't need to worry about the sign. Next one is power of x, that is 1 here, so I will put them in another bracket. It becomes 5x plus 3x, and the last bracket will be for constants. So 3 plus 1, right? So if I have different powers but the signs are same, I will use brackets for them, right? So same powers, put in one bracket, same power, put in another bracket, and for constant you will use another bracket. Now again you can apply your previous rule, because powers are same, signs are same, so you just have to add the coefficient. 5 plus 2 is 7x square plus 5 plus 3 is 8x plus 3 plus 1 is 4. We have another case, that is different powers and different signs. Right? Now we are having different powers and different signs. For this I am taking example 5x square plus 2x minus 3 and 3x square plus x plus 5. right? Now you are having different powers and different signs, so what you have to do is, first step will be remain the same. You will use the bracket 5x square plus 3x square. Make sure between the bracket you will put plus sign because we were doing addition, right? 2x plus x, right? In the middle you will put plus sign. Next one, use the same sign which is given, that is minus 3 and plus 5, right? Now 5 plus 3 is 8x square plus 2x plus 1x. If there is no coefficient here, it means that is 1. So 2x plus 1x, that is equals to 3x plus 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2, right? 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So this was the three cases which comes under addition of polynomials. The next operation is subtraction of polynomials. The first rule is same power and same sign, right? So if you have minus 3x cube minus 2x cube minus 5x cube, right? Now see, you have same powers, that is cube, cube and cube, and signs are also same, minus, minus, minus. Then what you have to do, you have to add coefficients. So my coefficients are 3, 2 and 5. I have to add it. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 10x cube. Now what about sign? Sign will remain negative, right? So same powers and same sign. If all signs are negative, then you have to add your coefficient, but the sign will remain negative. This was the first rule. Second one, if you have to subtract 3x square plus 2x minus 5 from 7x square minus 5x plus 4. Let's suppose you have this example. Then how you have to subtract? Make sure you don't do this mistake. Subtract this from this. It means you have to subtract 3x square plus 2x minus 5 from this expression. So first we will write our first expression, 7x square minus 5x plus 4 in the bracket. In the middle you will put minus sign. Then write down the first expression, that is 3x square plus 2x minus 5. Now you have to write down the similar powers in similar brackets. So first one is 7x square and 3x square. You have to write it in one bracket, 3x square. And what about the sign? For sign you have to alter the signs. What was the sign here? It is plus. But you have to alter the sign, or you have to change the sign to it becomes minus. In the middle you will put plus sign. Next is follow the sign which is given, okay, of the first bracket. Minus 5x, so I am using it as it is, minus 5x. What is the sign with 2x, it is plus, but you have to alter, so it becomes minus 2x. In the middle you will put plus sign. What are my constants? 4. And what is the sign with 4? Plus, so it will remain plus. It is minus 5. You have to change the sign, so it becomes plus 5. I am repeating this step. The signs of your first expression will remain the same. As you can see, it was plus, it is still plus. It was minus 5x, it is still minus 5x. It was plus 4, it is still plus 4. But you have to change the signs of your second expression, right? It was plus 3x, it became minus 3x square. It was plus 2x, it became minus 2x. Then it was minus 5, it becomes plus 5, right? So next is you have to just simplify it. 7 minus 3. Powers are same. It means you can just simplify your coefficients. So 7 minus 3 is 4x square plus minus 5x minus 2x. Powers are same. It means that you can simplify your coefficients. Minus 5 minus 2. Minus minus is plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7, but the sign will remain negative. Then plus in the middle and 4 plus 5, that is 9. You can open your brackets, it becomes 4x square minus 7x plus 9. That is your required result.